Today, we're going to show you how to replace your BMW F-Series key fob battery. All you're going to do is press this button on the side to release the emergency key. There's a little slot right there. You're going to put the end of the key in that slot, and then you're just going to press in and twist. That's going to remove the back cover from here. Now you need to replace the CR2032 battery. We've got a link to that in the description below. You're just going to go in from one side or the other, and you're going to pry that existing battery out. You're going to take your new battery and slide it in like so, press it down, and then you're going to put the replacement cover back on here and just slide it in place till you hear it click and press down. Put your emergency key back in, and that is how you replace a key fob battery for a BMW F-Series. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us that thumbs up or subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching how to replace a BMW F-Series key fob battery.